In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete transaction history on the Bank of America app in 2025. While the option to outright delete your banking transaction history doesn't exist to ensure compliance with financial regulations, you can effectively manage and filter your transaction list for better viewing. Let's get started. You'll first want to open your Bank of America app and sign in using your username and password. It's always important to ensure your credentials are private and secure, so make sure you're in a safe environment when signing in. Once you're logged in, you will immediately be taken to the account's overview screen. From here, identify and tap the account you wish to manage. It could be either your checking or savings account, depending on where those transactions you want to take a closer look at reside. After selecting your desired account, you'll need to tap on either the Activity or Transactions tab. This action will display your full list of transactions, neatly organized so you can see your recent activities at a glance. Now, to refine what you see for easier management or privacy, look for the filter icon, represented by a magnifying glass. You also have the option to use the convenient search bar at the top of your screen. By using filters, you can sort your transactions by specific criteria such as date range, transaction type, or amount. This is incredibly useful for narrowing down particular transactions and temporarily hiding others from view. For instance, if you're looking for expenses from a specific month or searching for payments of a certain amount, applying these filters will streamline your review process. Once you have set your preferences, tap Apply Filters. This step will present only those transactions you've specified, providing a cleaner, more focused list for your needs. It's a handy way to manage how your transaction history appears without the need to permanently alter any records. When you're finished reviewing, you can simply tap Clear Filters to return your transaction list to its full format. Remember, these filters don't delete any records, they merely help you manage what's shown on your screen at any given time. The actual transaction history remains intact, as banks need to keep these records for regulatory compliance. However, knowing how to filter and sort through your history can help you manage your information more effectively. You can adjust these filters anytime to refine your view further, providing flexibility in how you interact with your account data. Though the transactions themselves aren't erasable, this method of filtering offers an enhanced approach to account management, ensuring you can easily view what matters most while keeping your information organized. And there you go! You've now effectively learned how to manage your transaction list on the Bank of America app in 25. Remember, security and thoughtful management of your financial information are key, and with these tools at your disposal, you're equipped to do just that. Happy banking!